Hey everybody, Blues Matt here with another quick video for you. Today is February 8th, 2013, and today's video topic goes over some tips for viewing photos on a Windows PC. Alright, so let's get started. What I did to prepare for this video is just take 4 simple digital photographs with my digital camera and downloaded them to my computer, put them in a folder, this one actually, and opened up a little Windows Explorer window so you could see the 4 images. And you can see it's just a simple little picture of the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4 on a little piece of paper. You can see that this is the order in which I took the pictures because that's how they're displayed in the Windows Explorer program. And you can also see by the file name that file 15 was followed by 16, 17, and 18. So this is the order in which I took the photographs. Now if I want to get a full-size view or a larger view, let's say, of these images, what I could do is click on View. I'm already looking at large icons. I could click on Extra Large Icons, and I could look at the images like this. I could also make the size of the windows so that it just basically shows one picture, and then I can scroll down. Okay, but here's another option that I think is even nicer. If we go back to large icons and I move my window around a little bit, now I'm going to go ahead and select all 4 of these images. So what I'm going to do is hold down the left mouse button and drag over all 4 images. That selects them all. You can see there are 4 items selected. Now I'm going to right click on any of the selected images. Right click with my mouse and get this context sensitive menu. And this time I'm going to click on Preview. Click on Preview, and it opens up a nice big window that's actually resizable, so I can make it quite large, and of course it's movable. And what it's going to do is it's going to play the images one right after the other in the order in which they were taken. So here's image number 1, image number 2, 3, and 4. And then when I click again, it's going to cycle back and start over again with 1. Now if I get to 3 and I want to go back to 2, I can do that. I also have the opportunity to zoom in. So I can really zoom in quite a bit if I want. And I also have the opportunity to rotate the images around right inside of this little window. Okay, so that works great when you take the pictures in the order in which you want to display them in this little Windows program. It's actually the Windows photo gallery. What happens if you take the pictures out of order? Here's another collection of 4 simple images. Same pieces of paper, only this time I mixed up the order in which I took the pictures. So I took the picture of paper number 1 first, then paper number 4, then paper 2, then paper 3. And you can see from the file name here that the 6020 file was taken first, followed by 21, 22, and 23. So what do we do here if we want to play them in 1, 2, 3, 4 order instead of 1, 4, 2, 3? Well, let me just show you that if I do left click and drag across all 4 images, all 4 files, right click, choose Preview, that will indeed show the images in the order in which they were taken. And for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to say that that's not the right order, that's the incorrect order. So one of the things I could do, if I click anywhere over here just to deselect all 4 images, the first image here, paper number 1, is the first one that I want to display. This is the second one that I want to display. This is the third one, and this is the fourth one. So what I could do is right-click on the image name, choose Rename. Now I'm going to use, I could use the mouse button here. Click right to the left of the image name, and this time I'm going to type 1 and then a hyphen, let's say, and hit return. So now I've just added a 1 and a hyphen to the file name for this particular picture. Now let's go over here and right-click this particular file, choose Rename, click with my mouse pointer, and this time I'm going to name it 2. Press enter and see what it did. It moved it into this order because Windows Explorer is going to put the images in order by file name. So let's go ahead and name this one 3. Now this one is already in the position that I need it, but just for fun, just for completeness, we'll go ahead and rename this one as well. Call this one 4. Alright, so there are my 4 images, and they've been renamed. Now when I left click, drag across to select all 4 images, right click any of the selected images, choose Preview. There's image number 1, there's image number 2, there's image number 3, and there's image number 4. It's also worthwhile to point out that the file name that's actually being displayed shows up here in the title bar for the window. So you can see 1 dash and then the file name, 2 dash and the file name, 3 dash and 4 dash. Okay, so there's some really quick tips on how you can rename the image files that you take so that when they're displayed using the preview function in Windows Explorer, they're displayed in the order in which you want them to be displayed. Alright, this has been Blues Matt. Thanks for watching.